This video describes the procedure to commit all changes on the C drive to the factory base level. The procedure applies to Symmetric systems using the Windows XP Embedded operating system and Inspection 7. Once a factory restore point is created, the system can be recovered to this point if a problem occurs with the operating system. Configuration and data files on the D drive will be preserved by default and should be backed up separately. Refer to the Inspection System Shell User Guide for more information about making backups. From the System Shell toolbar, select Setup. In the System Platform pane, click on Manage Overlay Level and then the ellipsis button that appears on the right. In the System Disk Overlay Manager window, select Commit to Factory and enter any details or comments into the Comment section. It is important to note that selecting the Wipe Data Drive option will delete all data and configuration files on the D drive. Only select this option if necessary. The system will reboot, and the enhanced write filter will perform the commit to factory process. When the process completes, the system will start up automatically. For more information regarding the System Disk Overlay Manager, refer to the Inspection System Setup User Guide.